Okay, and based on the appearance of a graph, you should be able to identify where the different x-intercepts occur by where the graph crosses the grids on your graph. Okay, so everywhere the graph crosses the x-axis is going to be a 0 or an x-intercept. And so if you are asked to identify a function's zeros, you simply look to see where does that function cross the x-axis, and those would be the list. So if I was listing all the zeros here, it's not, if it asks you for the ordered pair, okay, what you would do is you would write the x-coordinate first, followed by the corresponding y of 0. So here I have 4, 0, 5, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, and 9, 0. Okay, so this gives me my list of all my zeros for that function. And now we'll talk about this a little bit later, but one of the things to keep in mind is how the zeros correspond to factors of a polynomial function. And that is, anytime you see a 0, that 0 corresponds to a factor in the form x minus whatever that 0 is. So if you have a 0 at 4, then that corresponds to a factor of x minus 4. If you have a 0 at 5, x minus 5, x minus 7, x minus 8, x minus 9. Whatever your 0 is, okay, that is the corresponding factors for those.